Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Sherita and the name of my channel is Unique by Sherita. Welcome. So in today's video, we'll be doing a clean and decorate with me. Well, somewhat of a clean, and my daughter has already vacuumed the space. There's some items I'm leaving in place, but we need to shampoo this rug. It has not been shampooed since I had it, and my dog tends to run straight full speed across the floor, and she doesn't mess in the house, but she has doggy paws. As you can see, I just jumped right in and started moving the furniture out of the area, and then I'll just follow up with cleaning the rug. And today's video is being sponsored by Hoover. I'll be using their Hoover Smartwash Pet Complete automatic carpet cleaner. Okay, so I've already put the water in the carpet cleaner, and I also put the carpet solution in there as well. And I'm using Hoover's Paws and Claws Deep Clean and Neutralize solution. It's really good for pet odors and stains and things like that. So I decided to use that. And this carpet cleaner is the easiest to use. So you basically just push forward to wash and pull back to dry. So once you turn it on with your foot, you just push forward to wash and pull back to dry. The easiest thing ever. Okay, so this one is the Smartwash Pet Complete Automatic Carpet Cleaner. I chose this one because it has what they call the Spot Chase pre-treat wand. You basically use it to pre-treat a heavily stained area or heavily stained pet area before you clean it. In my case, I really didn't need it this time, but I love the fact that I have it for if I need it in the future. It does run by batteries, and you can just spray an area and pre-treat it before you do a full carpet cleaning. Now, another cool feature is this specific one does have a dry only button. And once I cleaned the entire area, I went back over it with just the dry only button. So when you saw me lean over, that's what I was doing, turning on the dry only, just so I can get up any excess water that wasn't pulled through during the cleaning. All right, so this was the easiest carpet cleaning ever. I'm going to give Hoover a big thumbs up because it was easy and it worked. As you can see, there's a lot of that came out of my carpet or out of my rug. So I'm just going to put it up and we are going to decorate the space. The floor was barely damp. I waited about an hour and I started moving everything back into place. Okay, so let's go ahead and get the room back in order. I just pulled the side table over in this corner because I'm going to be moving my coffee table back, as well as the end table that goes with it. I'm just going to clean the coffee table off using spray way cleaner, using a microfiber towel, and then we'll start adding the rest of the pieces to the area. I got this greenery from Home Goods a while ago, as well as these two lanterns. I feel like let's move them to the other side of the fireplace, and we're just going to move the chairs back into place. I wanted to make sure that the door opens because I have a couple of things, quite a few things that I do like to get out of there. And as I told you, I brought this end table into this space. It's a pretty wide end table. I think it's about 24 inches, so it does take up a lot of space, but I felt it was the perfect end table to go with that coffee table and warm the room up. So that brown with that gray definitely warmed the space up. And And I decided to put this artificial grass on this side because I want you to be able to see the gold vase that it's in. And of course, let's go ahead and start decorating the coffee table. When I decorate a round coffee table, I group it into threes or just one center piece. In this case, each item represents, or each stack represents one item. The tray is considered one item with three items on it. Then we have the coffee table books with a plant on it, and as well as that ginger jar in the back. So all of those items to me visually is considered three items. So now I'm just adding these beautiful feather pillows to the side chairs. They came from Z Gallery. I feel like it's a perfect marry of the sofa as well as the chairs because it has the black, gray, and tan. And then I'm going to top off the end table with this beautiful artificial aloe vera plant as well as this black and white decorative box. It's perfect for the space. And of course, I use it to keep my remote control and my matches and things like that. And of course, let's light the candle. No room is complete without lighting a candle. All right, you all, we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you, Hoover, for sponsoring today's video. I will leave the link to the carpet cleaner as well as to their website for anyone that's interested. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you like these types of videos, please hit that subscribe button, turn your notification on so you'll be notified when I post videos. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.